Welcome to hotspankitchen. Today I am going to make green gram and raw banana ERISSERY. This is a Kerala dish. Let us see how to make it. For this I have taken half a cup of green gram and 2 raw banana. I have taken a cooker, washed the green gram very nicely and cut the raw banana, putting into this cooker. Let us add some water, quarter spoon of turmeric, 3/4 spoon of salt, and let us cook this. For the grinding, I have taken a cup of fresh coconut, 2 chillies, 6 to 7 garlic flakes, and half a spoon of cumin seeds. This will grind very nicely. Add some water and grind it to a fine paste. This is the coconut that I have ground just now. We'll take it out and keep it aside. The green gram and raw banana has cooked very nicely. We'll take it out in another vessel. Let us add the coconut paste. And water. Mix it up well. And then keep it on flame. So started boiling. Let us add some more salt. Let us keep this aside and keep a pan. This pan, pour some 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use any oil as per your choice. Spoon of mustard seeds, I have taken shallots cut into small pieces. You may add small onions also cut into small pieces. Let the onions turn into golden brown. Add one red chilli, curry leaves, and some fresh coconut. And let all this become golden brown. Now let us put this into the ERISSERY that we have made. That's it. Raw banana and green gram ERISSERY is ready. This is the raw banana and green gram ERISSERY that I have made. It's very tasty. We can use it along with rice as a side dish, or in the chapatis also we can use it. It will taste very good. Friends, if you have liked my recipe, please like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Stay healthy, stay home, and I'll meet you with another video very soon. Thank you so much.